from Cherry TV. It is yet another exciting day here at Electrama 2025 in Noida. We are at the hub of innovation and technology, and this is Tejal Tanavde. And today we have an exciting opportunity to have a conversation with Mr. Sameer Shankar, who is the CSO of DEN India. Sir, hi.
Hi,
It is so nice to interview you, and we have a few questions for you.
our privilege that you could join us on our booths in this world as the biggest electrical show.
Yeah.
Welcome.
So, sir, can you provide a brief introduction about your company and the products that you're showcasing today at the expo?
So we are from DEN India. So DEN India is a subsidiary of a German MNC called DENSE. We are based out of Germany. We are 115-year-old company. We are into lighting and surge protection. We are into earthing. We are into safety solutions. So we majorly deals into electrical protection systems. In this present Electrama 2025, we are showcasing our full range of products for the varied market segments like oil and gas, telecom, railways, aviations, data centers. Full surge protection and lightning protection is needed in every electrical installations. New, we are showcasing our new smart solutions to comply or to participate into the present industry trend of digitalization.
Do you think the role of DEN India is into the electrical and the power sector as a whole?
As I said a few moment ago, we are into electrical protection, and with the growing infrastructure setup in India, you need more power, you need more dependency or reliable power. So that means we need systems which are operating 24/7. So there comes the role of DEN India. We are providing reliable and a trustworthy protection solutions to all the electrical and electronic equipments.
How is DEN India contributing to the advancement in surge protection, lighting protection, and electrical safety?
We as DEN are actively analyzing the trends into the industry, the new setups, especially from the power point of view that are coming. So we are adapting and coming up with new technologies and surge protection devices. Number two, since we are talking of digital, our world is going crazy about IoT. So we are developing several IoT based devices, and we are trying to participate in providing a reliable monitoring of the protection system so that the users are independent of their maintenance activities.
Right.
So that's where we are contributing in this.
How do you think DEN India supports sustainability in today's ever-growing world? And how far is your experience here at the Electrama Expo?
We are, I'll say, environment compliant company, and we have some commitments towards sustainability. So if you talk about this booth itself, the material that we have used, it's all sustainable. We have used environmental friendly materials,
Yes.
because these all has to go because this all go with scrap.
Right.
So to cut down the waste, or if it is a waste, then it is not harmful for the nature. So that's one part. Second, the product that we are developing, we also are trying to reduce the carbon footprints, because we are using good number of carbons. So we are trying to reduce the carbon footprints, and if at all it is required, we try to see if can be arranged from the green sources. So that's how we are contributing into the sustainability. We as DEN are also committed towards the carbon neutrality. So we are making all our efforts, but yes, it is a long journey. It's not an easy path to cover, but we are on the sustainability roadmap.
Right. It was indeed a very insightful discussion with you, Mr. Sameer, and we just are excited to see what DEN India has in store for the electrical and power industry. And it was great talking to you. We wish you all the best for your journey, your career, and also your future here at DEN India.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time.
Thank you for hosting us, I will say, on your channel. And yes, we see that how we can participate in the growing infrastructure in India.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.